Hey y'all, forgive how I look today, but we are going to do a spend the day with me. We're going to do a grocery haul. We're going to clean up some, and I'm going to show you an amazing dessert. So I'm going to take you along with me as I go to Walmart. Let's go. Alright, so we are in the store and we are headed to the milk and butter dairy section. I needed some milk and I needed some heavy cream for an upcoming recipe for a video. I also needed some cream cheese. I keep a lot of this on hand because I use it in a lot of recipes. And then if you are like me, I shop for a budget, or on a budget. I have 5 people in my house, so I need to make my dollars stretch. Always check out these clearance like shelving things or end caps or even the bread rack. You can always find something marked down really good and it will help you stretch your dollars further. A quick tip I learned from watching Rachel Ray: buy tomato paste in a tube. You will not waste as much money by buying the individual cans. Alright y'all, we are finished at Walmart. They did not have all of the meat that I needed, so we are going to run to Foodlion and pick up the rest of what we need, and then we'll go home and put it all away and get started on cleaning and that dessert I promised y'all. You ready? So our first stop inside of Foodlion, we are going to go get some dried beans for a recipe for supper this week. It surprised me Walmart didn't have any, but Foodlion did not fail me. So you remember I told you at Walmart I have to make my dollar stretch because I'm feeding 5 people. I went to Foodlion to get the meat that I needed, found it, and found these packs of marked down hamburger. They are perfect to go throw in the freezer. So I'll go ahead and give you a quick rundown of what we got. I spent $179 for all of this. I did stock up on the meat, the marked down hamburger. I got the pork chops that I needed. The chicken, I actually got a larger pack than what I needed. They didn't have any smaller ones, but I will just separate those out and freeze the rest for a later date. We're going to have a roast one night, but with a twist. Nothing I've shown you guys on here before. I am doing another video with some football food. So I had to get some nacho cheese, some marinara sauce, just different little odds and end things. But then, like I said, this was a weekly grocery shopping trip, so I had to get things that we needed as well. We needed eggs, I needed onions, like chicken bouillon. I needed to restock on some of my spices, just different odds and ends that we needed around the house. And I promise you, if you look at this, you think all we do is eat bread, but again, I found the marked down bread that I can make meals with. We love little slider sandwiches, so that's perfect. These I'm super excited to try because I've never had those, but I've seen them in the store, and I mustered up the hurt in my heart to pay the $5 for them. So hopefully they're good. Again, marked down spaghetti. We have a lot of drinks in our house, a lot of soda. I know people will probably look at me negatively for that, but it is what it is. Do you? I'll do me. It's whatever. But we have a lot because I have 5 people. Anyway, I needed some veggies. Again, just stocked up on things that we needed and like breakfast stuff for the kids. I have told y'all on this channel over and over, we are some cheese loving fools. So I always make sure we have a lot of cheese on hand because we go through a ton. once we got all the groceries put away, I went ahead and started on the cleaning for the day. I love to finish out my day with a clean kitchen, so that was the first thing that I made sure I cleaned. And then I tackled our room. I don't know how many parents are like us, but our room becomes the catch-all. It never fails. The rest of my house can be spick and span, just like you could lick the floors and my room looks like a tornado hit it. So that was my main focus for today. I went ahead and started out by making my bed. I don't know about you guys. I don't care if it's 2:30 in the afternoon or if it's 9 o'clock at night. If I make my bed, I feel like I have gotten more accomplished and I feel like my life is just put together more. I know that's crazy. Then I tackled my dresser. I just went ahead and cleared it off and reorganized it. And if you are wondering, yes, I do have a little urn on my dresser. That is my father. No judgments, no ugly comments, or you will be blocked. Anyway, on a more positive note, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the rest of me cleaning my dresser. Okay, so on this channel, I like to be honest and open with you guys. Please tell me I'm not the only one that had a side bed table that looked like that. It just never fails. I grab a drink, bring it to bed, and then I forget to take it out in the mornings because I'm running around trying to get kids out. But I cleaned that off, and now we are tackling the most hated chore besides cleaning toilets in my house. I hate laundry. I will say it. I am Brittany, and I cannot stand to do laundry. I will wash it. I will dry it. I will fold it. Whatever. I hate to put it away. That is my thing I need to work on. So, again, I have told y'all numerous times, I have 5 people in my house, so laundry piles up quickly. So, I went ahead and got it all done. Now, I'm just going to fold it all up. This is mine, the kids, Justin's, my mom's, everybody's. I'm going to fold it all up. I actually had more in the laundry room, so I need to go get it. And then we're just going to finish folding and hanging up, and then we're going to put it away. I figured by doing this video, I would hold myself accountable to go put the laundry away when it was done. If you have watched this much so far, God bless you. I know I don't typically do cleaning videos, but I thought it would be something different to try on my channel to fill you guys out and see how you like it. I know I personally love watching cleaning videos like on TikTok or on YouTube or organizing videos. Hey, look, there we go. Trying to give y'all a little bit of like, yay, I can do this. And you have to overlook how horrible I looked, but on cleaning days, I do not care. I am just going to throw on some comfy clothes and just get it done. And y'all, do not judge my closet. It is not organized. I'm not one of those people that will organize my closet by like shirt length or shirt color or dresses or whatever. Like, if it's on the hanger, it's on the hanger. I told y'all, I hate putting away laundry. Now, at the beginning of this video, I promised y'all a recipe on how to do an easy dessert. This is the easiest dessert anybody can make. I finished out my day by making this. That way, I could go ahead and just put it in the fridge, let it set overnight, and we would have it as a dessert after church. We are going to make a cherry yum yum. So I've just went ahead and put in 9 graham crackers. I'm going to put those in that Ziploc bag, get all the air out, and then I'm going to smash the crap out of them. I'm doing this with a rolling pin. That way I can make graham cracker crumbs, because this is going to be the base for our little pie or yum yum or whatever you want to call it. We are going to crush all those up and then reserve 2 tablespoons. Okay, so I completely forgot to hit record. I just melted down 6 tablespoons of butter, reserved my 2 tablespoons of graham cracker crumbles, and then I put the rest in the pie dish, put the melted butter in the pie dish, stirred it around till it got good and combined, and then I'm just flattening it out until it covers the bottom of the dish. And then in my mixer, I have a softened block, 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and I just added in 3 tablespoons of white sugar, and I'm going to beat that until it's creamy and well mixed. And then we're going to add in about 12 ounces of whipped cream. So be sure you do not whip the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. You just want to fold it in and then put about half of that mixture over your graham crackers and just spread it out into an even layer. Next, we're going to put an entire can of cherry pie filling over the cream cheese mixture, spread it out into an even layer. So now we'll top the cherry pie filling with the remaining cream cheese and whipped cream mixture. Spread that out into an even layer, and then those graham crackers that we reserved earlier, the crumbles, we're just going to sprinkle that all over the top, just in whatever little form you like. Once you're done, cover it with plastic wrap, put it in the fridge, let it set for a little while. It should look like this, and then let it chill for a few hours, and then you're ready to serve it. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me. Come back again.